Got some solar fence lights here. Did a video review of another brand here a while back, and this company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review of these, and I have a perfect place for them. So we're going to unbox these and see how they work and put them up. Coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop. I'm going to do a little review and demonstration of these solar fence lights. I'm not using them on a fence, I'm using them on a deck rail, but there's a lot of different things you can do with these. They're RGB, that means they change colors, and there's 7 different colors, and they will change and alternate as they go through, and it'll be kind of decorative. And I've got a perfect place for these. There's a deck on the side of the shop over here on the south side. Surrounds an area where, because that's where you could also go up to the loft besides in here, because at one time we did live up there before we built our house. So the deck is out there. We wanted to put some a little bit of decorative lighting on there, and that's where I'm going to put these. I'll demonstrate these on how you turn these on and off and how you mount them. Okay, there's 8 lights in a box, and it comes with some little screws and anchors. I probably won't use those because I'm not a fan of that type of screw, but I'll use something a little bit different, probably stainless steel when I mount these. There is a single slot on the back right here. You would set your screw in and leave the head protruding enough to clip this on. You'll want to have the solar panel facing the south or southwest if all possible, because you'll get the best sun exposure. In this particular case, I'll be headed to the south. You need to turn them on before you put them into action. Just give the diffuser here a little twist. See, there's a little bitty push button here. Just give it a click. I'm using my hand here to simulate nighttime. You see the LED comes on and it will glow and it will change colors. So it couldn't be any more simple. Let's pop this cover back on there and give it a little twist, and you're ready to go. Now, this isn't going to light up too well in here in the dark, but you can kind of get an idea here on how that's going to look. So I need to go out and get these mounted, and then we'll come back tonight and see how they look. Ooh, she's windy out here, so hopefully it won't pick up a whole bunch of odd noise. But this is where these are going to live, and we'll come back tonight and see how they look. It's still pretty cold out. It's early spring, so we got a little cleanup to do yet here and everything, but this is where they're going to reside, and we'll see how they look tonight. So hopefully they'll look good. I'm going to end the video right here because I've got to wait till nighttime, of course. But once again, these were provided to me to review and demonstrate. It's called Loftek. There'll be a link in the description if you'd like to buy some. I am an Amazon affiliate, which means if you do purchase these, I get a small commission, but that does not affect your cost whatsoever. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.